Good morning children, Sairam. Welcome back again in the computer class. Children, we were discussing about our chapter number 3, types of computer software. In that, we had covered the portion of system software. Today children, we will start with the applications software. So first we will learn what is application software. Application software are designed to allow the user of the computer system complete a specific task or set of tasks. It means children that application software are those type of software which are developed because of the user choice or user demand. They include programs such as web browsers, office software, games, etc. They are usually the reason we brought the computer system in first place and are not concerned with the management or maintenance of the system itself. It means children, the application software are the reason for what we all are using computers, and the application software are not related with the management or maintenance of the computer system. Unlike system software, application software is designed to be used by an user. Application software sit on the system software as it is unable to run without the operating system and other utilities. It means children that this is the operating system. Yes, the interface between user and the hardware. This one is the hardware and we all are user. So without this operating system, these software means this Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, MS Word, MS Excel, many other application software are not able to work without the help of this interface or this operating system. Got it? Application software include things like database program, word processor, spreadsheets, email applications, computer games, graphic programs, and etc. Software application work through the operating system to get the access to the hardware. It means that the operating system is responsible for the communication between the application software and the hardware. These are some example of application softwares and we all are using it in our day-to-day work. Now we will discuss about the different categories of application software. There are basically 3 categories of application software. First one is general purpose. Second one, specialist software. And the third one is tailor-made or bespoke software. So let's discuss about all 3 types of application software. First start with general purpose software. What is general purpose software? General purpose software is mass produced with the attention that it will be used by a wide variety of different users in the range of different situations. For example, children, MS Word. The MS Word is used at offices, in homes, except in many other places for documentation purpose. Yes, so this MS Word software is a general purpose software. You can take one more example like PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint presentation we all are using for making the presentations. So that PowerPoint presentation software is general purpose software. Okay. It is used when there is a package available that meets the need of users because they are designed for masses, means a large number of people. Hence, the cost of creating is spread over a greater number of people or organization, and so the cost of individual is much lower. Means the cost of general purpose software is very less. It also has advantage that it is available immediately and there is no waiting time involved while the software package is designed, created and tested. Now we will discuss different types of general purpose software. General purpose software having word processing software, database software, spreadsheet software, graphics presentation and multimedia software, desktop publication software, web designing application, mobile applications. These are the general purpose software, children. First we will start with first one, that is word processing software. Children, you all know MS Word. That is the example of word processing software. The word processing software, children, is used for the compose, format and print the electronic document. The word processing is one of the earliest application for office productivity and the personal computer. It involves checking the spellings and grammar of the text. Used different interfaces include pictures, graph, charts in many different types within the text of the documents. Children, you all know this is the interface of MS Word and you all have used this. Next one is database software. Database software is the collection of computer programs that allow the storage, modification and retrieval of the information from a database in an efficient manner. Database is the structured collection of data. You all know we have done in the last session. A computer database relies on database software to organize data and enables the database user to perform database operation. Example, Oracle MS Access. It provides tool for data input verification, storage retrieval, query and manipulation. Children, this is the interface of MS Access. You all know MS Access. You all have used in your last class. Now the next one is spreadsheet. Example, MS Excel. A spreadsheet application is a rectangular grid which allow the text, number and complex function to be entered into the matrix of thousands of individual cells. The spreadsheet provides sheet containing cells, each of which may contain text or numbers. Yes. Next one is graphics presentation and multimedia software. The graphics software program that makes a computer capable of displaying and manipulating pictures. They include graphics components. Children, the graphics presentation and multimedia softwares are those software which we are using for the editing purpose of the pictures, for an example, or you can say best example is PowerPoint, which we all are using for making the slides or for making any type of data representation. I have given you the example, a presentation. A presentation is means of assessment which allow user to create a variety of visual appealing and verbal elements. The software that is used to display information in the form of slide show is known as presentation software. Example already given. This is the interface for PowerPoint software. Next one is desktop publishing software. Desktop publishing is the process of using the computer and the specific type of software to combine text and at work to produce document properly formatted for print web on mobile device, such as newsletter, books, business cards, web pages, greeting cards, etc. Children, this type of software are used for making the newsletters, greeting cards, signage, etc. And children, this one is the signage. Those who don't know what is signage, these type of signs are known as signage. A desktop publishing is the technique of using a personal computer to design images and pages. And here I have given a application for this purpose. This is an example of desktop publication application. This software is employed both the graphic designer and non-graphic designer to create visible communication for commercial, digital printing, printing on a printing press, or for desktop printing at the home or in the office. Web designing application. Web designing application is application program that is stored on a remote server and delivered over the internet through a web browser. It is a computer program used to create, edit and update the web pages and websites. The purpose of such program is to make it easier for the designer to work with the web pages and websites, and because of that, children, the designer have no need to directly connect to the actual code that produce those result. Okay. Next one is, children, mobile application. Mobile application, children, is commonly known as app. Yes, and the mobile application is designed to run on mobile device such as smartphone or tab. Children, the mobile application are similar to the applications which we all are using on the system or PC. But the difference is that, children, the features which we are having on the computer system and the features that we are having on the mobile device are different. For instance, we can say that if I am using an application on the computer system, it have many features, but the same application if I will use in the mobile, then it may be possible that it have the less features. The examples of mobile applications are WhatsApp, Facebook, health tracker, Insta, many are there. There are many types of application which we all are using on mobile. Now children, we will discuss the next category of application software. First, general purpose is complete. Now the next category is specialist. The specialist software is used by the number of people who have specialist job and would not be used by ordinary people. For example, children, a application related to health, there are chances that it will be used by the doctors and used by the patients. We all will not use that particular application. So that application is the specialist software. Got it? Anyone could have use for word processor. Yes, we all are using the MS Word, but the software to design house might only be used by architects. Yes, so that would be a specialist software. I hope you are clear with specialist software. The software that is, there are some example of specialist software. Now children, the last type of application software is bespoke, tailor-made or customized software. Customized software, children, by this name customized, everything is clear that is developed for a need of an individual or the need of group of people. Okay, the software which are developed for the demand for a organization. Okay, so here it is written, most organization use general purpose software, but the organization will find that it will does not do exactly what they want, or it does not work with their current system. In this case, they might decide to have this software system they need designed and developed specially for them, that is called tailor-made or bespoke software. The advantages of tailor-made or bespoke software are the company will get the exact software that they need. Next, the software will work exactly how they want. And the last one is, this software will only have the feature that they officially need in their business. Now, disadvantage of tailor-made software is it takes a long time to develop such a system, between a few months to year. It means that for making or for developing the tailor-made software or customized software, the time is long or few depending on the features. It costs a great deal of money to develop such a software. The company may need to employ a team of such as business analyst, program for the tester, etc. There will be little in the way of user support. Here we have completed application software. We will continue this chapter in our next class. Till then, you complete one home assignment. Today, children, I am not giving you any written work. You will learn all 3 chapters solved question answer. You will go through the MCQ, true false, fill in the blanks and even the solved question answers, and you will learn them. So children, we will meet in the next class. Till then, you take care of yourself. Thank you, Saira.